Are you tired of the same old thing for dinner? It's time for a new idea, something easy and tasty to make. You have to give this idea a try today. Tasty black bean sauce and mini penne pasta. Before we get started, if you haven't already done so, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for great recipe ideas. Tasty black bean sauce and mini penne pasta. Here's what we need for this tasty dish. 1 small green pepper chopped. 1 small white onion chopped. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 2 cups tomato sauce. 1 can black beans. 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. 1 cup mini penne pasta or any pasta of your choice. 2 tablespoons fresh basil or 2 teaspoons dried basil. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. 1/2 teaspoon fennel seed. Now let's get into action. First thing we do is chop the white onion and the green pepper. Next, add the oil to a saucepan and saute the chopped onion and the green pepper until tender. Then, add the tomato sauce and give it a stir. Rinse the black beans well and drain them. Add the black beans to the saucepan along with the oregano, garlic powder, sea salt, and fennel seed. Stir well, cover and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to a low simmer. Now, in another saucepan, bring water to a boil for the mini penne pasta. Add the mini penne pasta and stir. Once the mini penne pasta is the desired doneness, drain the pasta. Shred the mozzarella cheese. Spoon pasta into a dish, top with some of the black bean sauce, sprinkle on some of the cheese, and top it all off with a pinch of the fresh basil. That was quick and easy. Enjoy the dinner you made. For more food ideas, comment, like, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.